Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a fun DIY. We're going to be making some homemade candles, and I am using 100% beeswax for these candles along with one of my favorite scented tarts. I always add to that just to give it that little bit of fragrance. So any fragrance of your choice. My favorite tend to be either a citrusy or a real earthy or woodsy, an apple. That is my all-time go-to, as well as some of the lavender or light floral scents. So today we're going to be using one earthy woodsy smell, one lemon, and I believe the other is like a lilac lavender. And these are super budget friendly, and I have found making these just saves me a lot of money buying really expensive candles that tend to burn really fast, and you're not quite sure also what you're burning. With the 100% beeswax, you know that you are burning something that's healthy and natural for your home, which I love the most. So they're super easy to do. Like I said, everything I purchased off of Amazon, which you can easily find on there. The beeswax, the candle, electric warmer, and then you're just adding in your scents that you can pick up at any local store. Some of the tarts are sold at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Target, just wherever you tend to buy or find your tarts at is perfectly fine. They're usually just on the candle aisle. And I pretty much use an entire pack of wax per candle. And I personally love to make candles in mason jars. I just love the cute country ambiance it gives, and they're just the perfect size. I typically will pick up these mason jars. I believe they're pints, if not quarts. Don't get me wrong, I believe they're pints, but they're at the dollar store. And I do like to label mine, so I've purchased a small little labeler that I thought's really cute. It's very old-fashioned, and I got that off of Amazon as well for $13. And I don't only label my candles, but I use them to label all of my spice jars, just anything around the house. It comes in really handy for. So let's get going. So first off, we do use 100% beeswax pellets. Now these are naturally scented due to the bees with just a slight aroma of honey, but I do like to add my own scents to them. So next up we have a blue lilac lavender. This is also a beautiful scent. It's just very soft and calming. And then ocean seaside flannel. This has more of a woodsy, just earthy smell to it, which I really enjoy in the rest of my home. Now, as you see here, my wick is in the jar and it's ready to be poured. So let's go ahead and start off by adding our beeswax. Now it does come with a long spoon in order to help you stir as the wax melts in a warmer. And I usually add about 3 cups. So we'll go ahead and start adding in our wax tart. We started with the ocean seaside, and I pretty much used the entire tart. And continue dumping your beeswax pellets. Now everything will start melting nicely, and just continue to stir until it's melted. Now we are ready to pour our candle. So we are here in the garden room, and I'm going to fill up some of my bird feeders. We're going to do a little perusing around in the garden today, working on some flowers and pots. I want to build a little potting station out on our patio. Just getting some watering done. It's a beautiful day. It's 80s today. So okay, so now that our candles have cured, I just wanted to show you. So here's one that I have poured, and as you see, it has a slight void. If you get this void, if you just add another pour, let that cure, then you will end up with it like this. So I just wanted to show you that, just in case that was happening to you or you're experiencing that issue. And that's just the quick fix for it. But these candles turned out just beautiful. I have not cut the wick off of this one yet, because I will do that as soon as we do the second pour. But just this beautiful cream color. And this one, I believe, is this is actually the lilac lavender, believe it or not. And then this one, it turned out to be just a beautiful turquoise, almost like a seafoam green. And this was our oceanside flannel. So this is kind of the more earthy toned, woodsy, scented candle tart that I picked up, but they smell fabulous. So I hope that you enjoy your candle making. I hope that you find these to be a lot more affordable option, and I just love how cute they are. Here is one of the little cast iron skillets I got in a previous video, and this is how I like to set it. I'll usually just put one in the kitchen or in my dining room. I just think it gives it that country, cute, cottagey feel and look. And then of course, who doesn't love candlelight? But I hope that you love your candles and that they burn nice and slow for you and just fill your home with whatever sweet, calming aroma you chose. And yeah, stay tuned for our next upcoming videos, and I have a lot more for you. And if you love, okay.